Ready to approach content creation with new zest? Recycling your content across channels and evergreening classic emails are two strategies that can make you a content pro. To make sure that moments when you're staring at a blank screen or sitting in front of your camera with absolutely nothing to say are far few and in between, I have a final strategy to help you get the ball rolling during brainstorming, and that's content buckets. So when you boil content creation down to its simplest form, it's a range of topics that you naturally talk about. Each of these topics can fit into a bucket. It's a category that encapsulates a particular theme, message, or focus area of your brand. For example, if your main focus is improving business reputation, your buckets could be digital presence, automation tactics, and testimonial tips. When you've got your buckets in place, content ideation becomes easy. Instead of brainstorming topics out of thin air, you pull from your buckets of expertise. Got a bucket on digital presence? That can turn into podcast episodes, YouTube videos, and yes, great emails, all focusing on various aspects of that category. But it's not about just making life easier for you, although obviously that's a nice perk. But these buckets also become thematic pillars for your brand. They create a unified, consistent message that tells your audience this is what we're about. You're no longer one of those thousands of voices in a crowded content mashup. You're the expert in your field. These buckets will set your direction and purpose. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you want more tips like these.